Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy shares right here on Deriv. And the thing that you need to know is we have two ways how we can trade on Deriv. That is with the MetaTrader 5 and the multipliers right here. But with the multipliers you are not possible to buy a share. So the only way how we can do this is with the MetaTrader 5. So what we're going to do right here is we select right here CFDs and then we go right here to trade and then we select right here MetaTrader 5 web terminal. Then right now, what we're going to do is go right here to this search section. And then you can search right here for a stock that you can share. Let's do, for example, right now, Apple. There we go. Select right here Apple. And then what we're going to do is select a new order. And then we can fill in right here with how much we want to buy the share. Then we can add a stop loss or a take profit on it if you want to do that. And we have a fill policy right here. So fill or kill or return what you want to do. Let's do fill or kill. And then we select right here buy. Now what you can see, the market is closed. So that is why we can't directly fill the order. But when the market is open, and you will see right here when the market will open, you can buy right here a share. And this is the way how you can buy the share. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.